Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Friday Fast Facts. I'm your host Josh Kerbach, and today I'd like to talk about the election season that just ended. You see, it doesn't matter if your candidate won or if they lost, because here at Original One, you're always a winner with us. So the next time you go to choose parts that you need to repair your vehicle or your customer's vehicle, I ask that you elect to choose Original One. At Original One, we care so much about the safety of you, your customers, and your family that we only use OE parts that we've tested and certified for form, fit, and function in order to ensure that you have the utmost safety. We wouldn't want you to put your mother in a vehicle that wasn't safe. That's why here at Original One, we put a lifetime warranty on all of our parts as long as you own the vehicle. So everyone, please elect Original One. And remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the Original One.